Ooh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Yeah. Oh, someday, someday. Oh my god. I'm do live now. Come on, survive. I do live now. I do live. Oh, come on. Come on. Come on. Come on, survive. Still, yeah. At sa bawat minuto, gusto ko nang sumuko. Binigay ko ng thank you for watching, everyone. Thank you. Kala mo, hindi kita oh yeah. Thank you for watching. High five people here. Thank you so much. America. Hello, Sheryl. Hi, American Kuya. How are you? How are you po? Thank you for the 15 people here. Thank you for the 15. Can you give the thumbs up? Thank you. 20 people. Thank you for joining po. Emilita Mabalos. Hello po. Hello po, Emilita Mabalos. Thank you po. Hi. Mali. Thank you for the 5 people here. Where is my brother? But your brother, who's your brother? Who's your brother? Brother Tim? Maybe he's busy. My brother Tim, your brother Tim. Thank you for the time, Zach. Thank you for the 14 people. Hi, can you give the thumbs up? Thank you so much. Salamat po. Huwag kang mag-alala sinta. Di ko till I met you, I'll never knew what love was. Thank you for the first 15 people watching. Thank you so much. Till I met you, this feeling seems to go every day. I love you more each day. Thank you for watching, guys. Where are you now, American Kuya? If you remove his moderator, we will not be banned, but then give it back. Huh? Oh my god. Thank you for the 12 people. Thank you for the time sack, everyone. I have to open Google to watch you. I can't watch on up. Why? You can't watch on up? Why? What happened? Thank you for watching, everyone. Here, 12 million. 12 million. Hi, Jay. Hi, John. Hi from Australia. Hi, John. I remember you. Salamat. What it means? Indonesia. Salamat. From Indonesia. Mike Mercado. Hello from New York City. Hi, Mark Mercado from New York City. Thank you for watching. Wait, I remember you. Thank you. Yes, I remember you too. Hello from I just want to. I just don't want drama for you, Paul. Can be a lot of control. I think you got prettier. Why? I just finished washing the clothes. So, prettier even I'm big, big eye bugs. Look tired. Ah. Mike Mercado, you know I hear your voice and your voice is very soothing. Kala ko nakakatakot. Thank you, Mike Mercado. Thank you so much. Silamat. Hello from New York City. I thought you are from Indonesia. Team ban my account po. I don't know how to unban American Kuya. I didn't see the option or the settings how to unban. So I'm sorry for the reason. Team he don't like even a joke. He don't like that something like flirting, something like that. Even a joke he don't like that. So that's why he's my moderator. So that's why he just want a nice people on and this the life. So even I told her him have a blessed day po. God bless. Thank you, American Koya. Thank you so much po. When in the Philippines are you? Are you my mother and my Lola are from my mother and my Lola are from Manila. I'm from Bicol, Philippines. Bicol province. Mike. Where are you? I in New York City, son. New York City, USA. Thank you, American Kuyas, for understanding. Thank you so much. God bless. Thank you for the thumbs up, everyone. My goodness. Mommy. Mami. Tapos mahirap ka. Banggit mo, mami. Well, I know where you are. Wow, okay. My mother's Filipino and my father is from Puerto Rico. Okay. He met my mother when he was in the military. I'm an American, but I was born in the Philippines in Manila. Wow, that's great, Mike Mercado. Nice to meet you, Sir Mike. What is your work there in New York City? If you don't mind. Thank you. I didn't hear you. Can you see that again? Oh, sorry. I mean, nice to meet you, Sir Mike Mercado. So I say, if you don't mind, what is your work there in New York City, USA? Thank you. Maybe my voice is not clear to speak in English. I'm not as fluent English speaking English, but I try my best. Sorry. What a what a beautiful love story. Your parents. Me here. I live here in Bicol province. It's a very simple, ordinary. My father is a farmer, and also my mother. Me, I'm a farmer and a volunteer here in our community at Barangay as a BNS, our barangay community here. So, life here is a little uh, difficult, but life is happy. No more toxic. My gosh, it's pretty good. Don't be sorry. Thank you, Sir Mike. Ano ba itong nadarama? O shucks, sige babe, pag-ibig na It's okay. In New York City, I mean, there's a crime like anywhere else in the world, but where I live is a really good place. Oh, that's nice, Sir Mike. Hi, George Gabriel Palacios Martinez and Barada. I live next to a hospital because I'm a doctor, so I only have to drive like up 10 minutes to get my job. Nice to meet you, Sir Mike Mercado. Nice to meet you, Sir Mike. Sir Mike, can I ask you have a very beautiful smile. Thank you, Sir Mike. Uh, by the way, I'm sometimes not talking, but I always just to say everything is it will be fine. That's why maybe uh, I'm always smiling. That's my for good vibes. So I remember when I'm in Manila because I worked there in how many years. I experienced depression. Suddenly, I just cried in the bus after having break time. Then after, I wipe my tears and smile people. Oh my god! But my boss did notice. Are you okay? So yes, mom, I'm okay. That's I'm always smile. Even it's not okay, it's my sometimes it's okay to not be okay, but it will be fine. Hello, Ben is my name. Hi, Sir Ben. Sir Ben. Sir Ben. Charot. Ano ba itong nadarama? Oh, shucks, sige babe, pag-ibig na It feels so good. Sumasaya pa kay kapilan. Oh, bala. Hello po. Thank you for 13 people watching here. Thank you so much. That's good that you always smile, and you know what? Your smile is so very contagious. Contagious. Okay. I was upset today, but now that I saw you smile, now all the stress is one away. Really, sir? Thank you. Oh my God. Look my eye bag, sir. Upset. Why upset? Because of what? So maybe it's a personal. Look my eye bag, sir. Even I smile, it doesn't mean I'm my day is a very good day. Actually, I'm just finished wash the clothes, and it's a little bit, and that's a little bit more. I'm tired, but oh my God, thank you God, I finished it. But I'm tired. I smile. I'm weird. People say I'm weird, but and I know it because it's having a strength to finish the task. My I do live in I write the multitask. Later I cook for lunch. I know what here in the Filipino we always about the ulam. What the ulam is. Here is stressful about the ulam, but whatever it is, it's just a food. It's fine. Oh my gulay. Pag-ibig mo kaya ito 149. 149. Guys, thank you for watching. Thank you for watching. 8 people watching. Thank you so much. Oh my God. I was just looking at some of your shorts videos. I have to say, wow, you're really beautiful. Thank you, Sir Mike Mercado. Thank you po. Beautiful. Oh, Mike. I'm shy. I feel shy. Do you have any children? I have one kid. I have son, only one. Único hijo. Bueno. What means bueno? Marhay na udtuman ay marhay na udtuman. Oh my God. Bakit? How old are you? I'm 40 years old, Sir Mike. I have 5, but I would like more. Sada all. I would like more. I don't get to see my children because their mother and I are separated, and she moved very far, very far. You're separated and very far away from me. Okay. Sad. It's very sad for being parents. Live, live far from children. I'm 40 years old, Sir Mike. George Gabriel Payet says hi. My 52. You're 52 years old. It's great age. Ano ba itong nadarama? Oh, shucks, sige babe, pag-ibig na. You seem like a very good person. Yes, that's why maybe some don't scare to trying to destroy me because they think I'm a good person. Oh my God. Thank you for the 5 thumbs up. May kulay. May kulay. May kulay. Na, na. You are. Thank you. Hi for 4 people watching. Thank you so much. Yours. Thank you for 5 people watching. Thank you so much, guys. Pangarap ko, bigyan ka. George Gabriel Palacios Martinez. Nina. What means Nina? Nina? Nina. Thank you for 7 people. Hello. Hi, Mark. Welcome back, Mark. Are you single? No, I'm not. I'm getting married soon. I'm not single. Not single. I'm not yet married. But what? I don't know. Oh wow! Congratulations. He is very lucky. Yes, he's very lucky man. Hope I hope he can give me everything. Charot. Like a good life, having a good family, something like that. I'm not expecting too much, but it's for having a quality lifestyle. You, I think someone you meet, you found someone. I think she will be lucky to having you, to having with you, Sir Mike, because you have a you have a good life, you have a job like that. Well, I hope everything works out for both of you. God bless you both. But if it doesn't, let me know and we'll come get you. I will marry you and I will bring you back here to the US. Team today. Where's Tim? I don't know where's Tim. Maybe he's busy. And I will give you everything. Wow. You know what? Mike, someone say that to me before, but Mike, yes, someone say that before, but when I'm asking, it, oh my God, you asking too much. he co- he complained. Oh my goodness, I'm not asking too much. Just I want a home, a home, a farm. Oh my goodness. Pinanggigilan. What is your wish list? My my wish list is having a mm, daily daily source of income like that, and I having a own home, own house, my dream house. I want to having a farm, the scooter, laptop, and the phone to making a vlog because my phone is cheap and cracked the screen. So, ayan. So that's my dream, my wish list. Having a family, some get married, having a kids. I will give you everything that you want, and I mean that from the bottom of my heart. Sana all, Mike Mercado. But you know what, Mike? If you find someone, she will be lucky to having you because you can provide here and you can willing to provide. So that's why very nice. You know, it's not too much to ask. Huh? Really? You are very humble, Cheryl. Too much to ask. But when I ask of this, someone, uh, I feel I feel it's very, it's too much. It's too much to ask for this. Uh, that's why. So, yun, we need to work hard We need to work hard to get this stuff. Thank you. Thank you, Sir Mike. Thank you too, Sir Mike, for joining here. Nice to meet you. You will find Sir Mike to meet someone, a woman like, uh, because she will be lucky to having you because you're willing to support in giving everything to your see, she doesn't do what I have already given her. Huh? What?